What is up? TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, wherever this lands tonight. Tonight I'm letting you hear one of the most unique pieces of Cocobolo I've turned in a little while. I'm talking about a ton of character, man. If that's focusing or not, but Slate over a flywheel, and just a stunning piece of wood, man. It really is. And beyond that, I just turned this. This literally just came off the lathe about 3 minutes ago. Black and white ebony, and it's pretty good. Y'all let me know what you think, though. It's just my opinion. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion for sure, but
take all our love, pour it down. Yeah, I can make it take me back. I can make it
got a really good high-low to it. Again, Cocobolo, wicked timber flywheel inside there, Slate on top, black and white ebony. That right there is going to be a winner, I think. But y'all let me know what you think. Till next time, peace out, and God bless.